Hey guys, welcome back to Qara's Kitchen, and tonight we are making chicken and rice. This dish is super easy, especially when you don't feel like cooking but you are hungry at the same time, okay? So we are going to start off with clean chicken thighs, and we're going to season it up. You can use whatever seasonings you want to use. I'm using a little bit of garlic and onion powder, my lemon garlic seasoning from Flavor God, some lemon pepper, and of course, you know I gotta have my Tonys. So once we get that chicken seasoned up, we're going to heat up some olive oil in a pan, and we're going to just brown the chicken. We're not cooking it all the way through. We just want to get a nice color on that chicken. So now that our chicken is nice and brown, we are going to take our veggies, which is our onions, our peppers, and we're going to cook them until they're soft or translucent. And I am going in with about a teaspoon of butter, because we all know butter make it taste better, okay? So I'm just going in with a teaspoon of butter, not too much. And we're going to continue to saute our veggies. And go ahead and season your veggies as well. Once everything is nice and soft, translucent, you're going to go in with about a teaspoon of minced garlic. And you want to stir that around for about a minute or so, and then we're going to go in with some chicken bouillon base. And the bouillon base is something I picked up from Mr. Make It Happen here on YouTube. So if you're not following him, go check out his channel right now. He is the bomb. Now that you have everything mixed in, you want to go ahead and add your rice. You can use whatever rice you want to use. I'm using yellow rice. Now we're just going to add our chicken stock, just enough to cover all the rice. And then we're going to add the chicken back in, and we're going to cover it and let that cook until the chicken is done. And you can also add chicken stock while it's cooking if you feel like it's not going to be enough, or if it's burning at the bottom, just add a little bit more chicken stock. You don't want to add too much right away because it will overflow and then you'll have a whole mess to clean up. And I am adding a little bit more seasoning before I let it go. And this is what you get, a nice, easy, simple dinner that you didn't have to sweat over. A simple dish, one pot, one pan meal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And I will see you in my next video.